You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Don't get me wrong, I do love the state of Michigan. For anybody that's known me in the past in the Navy or Civil Service or Department of Corrections in Washington State, they know that I talked a lot of crap about how great Michigan is. And I still think it's great, but I just want to live the fullest life I can. So, in saying all that, I'm going to live a great life by trying this new pop from Faygo called Super Pop. What is Super Pop? Why do they call it Super Pop? Well, here in Michigan, Great Lakes State, there was an ice cream, I'm pretty sure it's still out there, called Superman. Superman ice cream was of 3 colors. Those colors are blue, yellow, and red. I only see blue in the bottle. I think they have it in other parts of the Midwest as well as other parts of the country now, but it originated here in Michigan and some say in Wisconsin. Superman ice cream, Super Pop from Faygo. Let's give it a try. Let's see what kind of carbonation we got. Ooh, highly carbonated, very nice. Not seeing any bubbles going up, but I'm not seeing too good anyhow. Yeah, caffeine free, but it's so loaded with sugar, you don't need the caffeine. Yeah, nice blue color. Let's get a nose on it. Oh yeah, wow, I smell stuff. Okay, let's give it a try.
You're watching the Polly Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
One more. Wow, yeah, it does taste like Superman ice cream. Super Pop from Faygo. Very nice taste, but I don't think it's a taste I'd be craving. But it is different, and it does hit the taste buds nicely. I guess it's sold exclusively at Meijer stores. You can't get it anywhere else. Yeah, Meijer is basically out of Michigan, and it's in the Midwest. Although I don't consider Michigan part of the Midwest, I consider it the Great Lakes region. 280 calories. The Faygo Super Pop gets my approval. Yes, this is a new flavor from Faygo. And stay tuned because I got another one coming up very soon. I'm Paulie. Till next time.